Howdy everybody out there in YouTube land. Welcome back to another magic video. So today we have a magic trick with a dice principle. This is something that if you watch Doug Kahn's channel, which you should be, you will have seen this principle used quite recently in a really interesting way. Now, I just want to point out that I actually learned this from Aaron Raditz directly. Obviously it's a dice trick that's pretty straightforward, but I've had this TV for about 2 years, and I've been throwing around this idea on how to use it with the card trick. So here's what we've got. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a card. Obviously, since you're not here, you'd be able to pick the card yourself here if you were here. I'm going to go with the Queen of Spades into the center of the deck. Give it a little bit of a cut. Very nice. Now we go over to our dice. Now these little magic doohickeys, they're going to find your card. Yes. Okay. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to roll the dice, but I'm not going to use the top numbers. I'm actually going to use the bottom numbers. And then I'm going to move your card to that with magic. Ooh. Here we go. Boom. Got it. Okay. Now we're going to take your card and we're going to put it in the 9th spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and number 9. Now, here's where I got that. If you flip over your dice, you'll see 9. Okay? 2 and 3, 5 and 4. And that has brought us to the 9th card, which is your Queen of Spades. Okay. Now, obviously, I'm going to tell you, if you want to know how to do this trick, go ahead and go check out Doug Kahn, right? This shows you how to do the dice portion of the trick. If you think you know the sleights involved here, go ahead and comment down below, and we'll have a nice friendly chat about it in the comments. And of course, I'd like to take this opportunity to say, like, subscribe, click the buttons, all these buttons. There's a button down here, this one. Over here, there's probably a button. There's buttons down below. There's buttons everywhere. Just push the buttons, okay? And I promise you, pretty soon, there'll probably even be a muffin button. Because why not? Thank you guys, and remember, stay positive, stay active, and stay awesome, and we'll see you in the next one.